After receiving an email from Parent Square and signing up for your account, you should see a similar homepage, but with your student's school at the top. If you have students in different school buildings, you will need to navigate to the top left corner and switch to see communications from that building. It might look a little bit like this. If you go to My Account, under your name in the top right corner, then navigate to Notification Settings, you can set how you would like to receive posts from your students' teachers. You can set to receive a daily digest or receive the notification instantly. This does not include urgent messages such as school closures. There's also a Get App link so you can receive notifications on your phone. You can navigate back to the homepage by clicking Parent Square in the top left corner. From here, to send a direct message, you will go to Messages under the Communicate tab on the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you'll see your direct messages. If you are sending a message to a teacher, you will click New Message, then Direct Message. You will need to search for the teacher in that building under Recipients, then write your message in the box below. Note that whatever language you have set in your Parent Square, it will automatically translate into the language the teacher has set in theirs. Under Participate on the left-hand side of the screen, and go to Groups, this is where you will find any groups you are added in. If your student is in a sport or activity, the coach or advisor may add you to a group to receive updates and messages.